First, click on Video. Choose Instagram Reel format. Add your product image. Remove its background. Add a square shape. Change its color to green. Click on More, then Layer. Send it to back. Now adjust product image and shape. Select Product Image. Click on Edit. Go to Shadow. Choose Drop Shadow. Change angle to 40. Adjust shape again. Select both and group them. Select the background. Choose gradient color. Change primary color to green. Choose circular gradient. Move green color to second position. Adjust its color. Now add a heading. Type your text. Choose Hey Gotcha font. Change font size to 120 pixels. Duplicate and add more text. Adjust position. Next, add brand logo. Select first and third text. Change its color to red. Select the second text and choose color to yellow. Go to Elements, Search Chips. Go to Photo section. Add a chips PNG. Duplicate this image. Double-click on BG Remover. Erase parts of image to crop out single chip. In this way, crop out more chips. Now, arrange these chips in different position. Our design is ready. Let's animate the design. First, add a blank page. Move it to first position. Copy the product group. Paste it to blank page. Now, drag down this to hide it on corner. Click on Add Transitions. Apply Match and move transition. Set duration to 2 seconds. Select the logo. Click on Animation. Apply Stomp Animation Effect. Also apply Rotate Motion Effect. Next, select all text. Apply Skate Animation Effect. Change direction to left to right after this. Select all chips. Apply Tumble Animation Effect. Also apply Wiggle Animation Effect. Reduce the first page duration and elevate the second page duration. Select all elements. Click on More. Then show element timing. Now, adjust elements timing like us to get sequential animation. Select all elements. Hide elements timing. Now, select Elements, go to Animation. Change Animate on Enter. Our chipset promo is ready. Let's check the result. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.